The coronavirus pandemic has been making people's life difficult physically, mentally, and even financially, especially the migrant workers. But amidst all these problems, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood आए हैं सबकी राहत के लिए. Sonu Sood had come forward to ease the pain of the people by doing something fruitful for each one of them. Well, Sonu ने arrange करी थी एक bus service across the states for people so that they can go back to their native place and has now started a Ghar Bhejo initiative with Neeti Goyal. Soon the netizens loved and showered praises for the Simba actor and he became a masiha for almost everyone in the country. He has been unstoppable and is going out of his way to help them. Well, not only a bus, सोनू ने एक फ्लाइट तक अरेंज करी थी जिसमें सब लोगों को उसने घर भेजा and उसके लिए everybody applauded the actor. His gestures is not at all going unnoticed by the fans and the audience. He's become unstoppable and is going out of his way to help them. But now, it looks like even the rains, ये बारिश का मौसम भी सोनू को रोक नहीं पा रहा है from being the masiha that he really is. And that is a proof in this recent video of Sonu Sood. Unfazed about the rains, he still stepped out to help the migrants. A video of Sonu surfaced online where he went to Borivali, Mumbai to bid adieu to migrants heading back to their home in Jharkhand. In the video, we can see him interacting with a few migrant workers and also assuring them that buses उनके लिए arrange कर दी गई हैं from Delhi. And people can board the bus from there itself. And finally they will reach their destination after such a long wait. Well, in the video we can see a man saying that if 10 people like Sonu Sood help us like the way he did, then nobody in India would face problems that they have been facing, at least in the coronavirus pandemic.
सर जैसे 10 लोग और भारत में हो जाएं, तो हमारे देश में कोई तकलीफ कोई समस्या नहीं रहेगी.
शाम को निजामुद्दीन से बसें से आगे निकलेंगे. नंबर दिए हुए हैं. जैसे आप निजामुद्दीन से उतरोगे आपके लिए सबके लिए बसेस हैं. उत्तराखंड में देहरादून जहाँ जहाँ आप जा रहे हो उसके लिए अलग बसेस हैं सबके लिए, तो आप आराम से जा सकते हो. बारिश आएगी अंदर, बारिश आएगी पहले अंदर को आ जाए. बारिश है.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी नंबर थोड़ी देर में प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 7 पर आ रही है.
इसका नंबर है अनिल जी आपको फोन करेंगे. बसेस रेडी है, आपको घर तक छोड़ जाएंगे सर. यहाँ से इधर उधर मत गुम हो जाना, ठीक है.
Just recently, Sonu Sood also helped R. Rajkumar co-star Surendra Rajan when he was facing financial crisis. He revealed how the actor came to his rescue when he was almost running out of money to survive in Mumbai, and he expressed his gratitude towards Sonu Sood. As Sonu is working hard day and night, there are some people who are making fun of his initiative by obviously on a lighter note. Many social media users are seeking help from him on the randomest reasons and bizarre things. Sonu very sportingly answers each one of them in a very jokey manner. हमने देखा कि कैसे कुछ Instagram and Twitter users ने ट्वीट करके सोनू को ये तक कहा कि गर्लफ्रेंड से मिलवा दो, दारू ला दो, मम्मी के लिए ये ऑर्डर करवा दो, जिसके लिए सोनू ने बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं माना और सपोर्टिंगली उनको जवाब दिया. Well, it seems like कि सोनू भी इस बात से एग्री करते हैं that each one of us has to come together and actually support each other in this problematic time. तभी इंडिया आगे बढ़ेगा और तभी हम लोग इस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर निकल पाएंगे as one strong winner. Well, Sonu, we applaud you for your gestures. Thank you for being such a big help to each one out there. May you keep growing in your life. You do tell us आप क्या सोचते हैं सोनू सूद के इस gesture के बारे में in the comment sections below. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.